Hi, so good evening ladies and germs. Welcome back to another episode. And tonight, we're gonna discuss something about pressure. So, while I was taking a bath, I was thinking of things that or topics that I can discuss for tonight's content. So, while taking a bath, this song was playing. It's called Under Pressure by Logic. And it's from his album Under Pressure then, back in 2014. So, I must say that this song helped me in a lot of ways. And I want you to look for it, understand it, and how he got over his problems and how he got through under pressure. And idudugtong or ipagtatanto ko lang siya sa nakaraan kong realizations. Kasi nung nakaraan, naalala ko yung nung kabataan ko na nanonood ako ng National Geographic mga alas 5 ng hapon hanggang alas 8 ng gabi. And then nung napanood ko yung series about sa red salmon. So ano ba yung meron sa red salmon? Red salmons go upstream so that they can reproduce or they can give out their spawn. And may na-realize ako, red salmons go through under pressure so that they can achieve what they know as their purpose or their goal. Their goal is to spawn. Kung saan, dumami sila. And then, I had this metaphor that we're like those salmon, and life is like going against the flow. Kasi totoo nga naman, if you say go with the flow, ang mangyari, you're just like a dead fish. You just go with the flow, you're a dead fish. That's my metaphor, or that's my belief, na if you go with the flow, you're a dead fish. Only a dead fish goes with the flow, if you know what I mean. And going back, I had this metaphor. I think I should see myself as a salmon and the pressure of the water as my failures, challenges, setbacks. Kasi those words, failures, challenges, setbacks, they are pejorative words. Every time we hear challenges, setbacks, and failures, parang sobrang negative yung dating sa atin. But, as a matter of fact, those words is what should we, ano ba tawag dun? Yun dapat yung gawin nating dun tayo mag-root para ma-realize natin na hindi ibig sabihin nag-fail ka, tapos ng lahat. Alam mo yun? You go through pressure so that you can grow, so that you can become stronger. Going through pressure is going to your challenges. Alam mo yun? Going through pressure is going through your challenges, making yourself even better by the day, every day, making sure that you grow. Okay, going back, dumating kasi si Kapitan. Anyway, ang pinasabi ko no kanina is masyado tayong napipressure sa sinasabi ng social media na we have to become successful, this and that. We have to become very rich at this particular age, specifically at an early age, which is hindi siya maganda. Sabi nga nila, or ng teacher ko, too much of anything can kill you. So, going back, think of yourself as a salmon, and think of life as river, and think of the water as your challenges. Now I'm saying, feel me bro? Okay, ang salmon, base dun sa napanood ko sa National Geographic, is they go upstream so that they can release their spawn or mga anak, or hindi ko alam kung anong tawag doon, hindi ako science guy, doon sa source or sa isang place upstream na stagnant yung tubig, or may part na stagnant yung tubig. And think of yourself as a salmon na kung saan yung pressure ng tubig is yung pressure mo sa buhay, yung challenges mo. Alam mo yun, as long as you're going through the pressure, as long as you're experiencing challenges, as long as you're experiencing failures, it's okay as long as you know where you are going. Now I'm saying,
oh, you feel me bro? You feel me?
Kasi in the end, all of it will make sense Alam mo ba yun? So, to all the people out there, most especially, ano ba yung after ng millennials? Gen Z, di ba?
Generation Z.
Generation Z. Generation Z. Or mga millennials na rin na feeling lost or under pressure. I hope this video helps you. Kasi masyado tayo nakikinig sa sa sinasabi ng mundo, sinasabi ng madla. We're listening too much of their bullshit or of their opinions that we forget listening to what our heart says, to what our mind says, to what God says. Alam mo yun, we are missing the signs just because we are putting too much pressure on ourselves, pressure that is multiplied by or added by the opinions of the crowd, of the social media, of the internet. Kaya we have to learn to see the beauty of the challenges, because those words such as challenges, failure, setbacks, they are pejorative. It is in fact part of life so that we can grow. Tulad nito sa pag-workout. Kunwari nag-workout ka sa biceps mo, kinabukasan masakit yung biceps mo. It's okay kasi yung pressure na in-apply mo dun kahapon is used to strengthen your muscle fibers. Anatomy boy. Strength is used to strengthen your muscle fibers. Kaya ngayon masakit kasi may pagbabago. Ganon din sa buhay mo, kapag may masakit, magkakaroon ng pagbabago or nakakaranas ka ng pagbabago. Alam mo ba yun? Mong sisingit si Desyong eh. May hugot ka, tol?
Wala, tol. Sige, tuloy mo na.
Okay, anyway, I hope this video reaches you hindi lang sa tenga but also in heart. At sana may natulong ako sa inyo at napaisip kayo or may na-impart ako sa inyo kung saan makatulong man lang ako kahit paano kung may pinagdadaanan kayong pressure, may pinagdadaanan kang pressure sa balikat or pakiramdam mo pasan mo yung mundo dahil sa responsibilidad, because I am a panganay, so sana alam mo yun, doon nang gagaling eh, panganay ka, may responsibilidad ka. Anyway, we're being derailed, nasa sidetrack na tayo, and that's it for tonight. Pasensya na kanina kung naputol kasi dumating si Kapitan. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in my next episode. Good night, ladies and germs.